Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, if you have travel plans this weekend, especially to the east, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to here because we've got some big changes on the way, which I'll get to here in a second. But first, what a lovely shot out in Williston. You know what that is? That is blue sky, which we haven't seen in quite some time, at least a couple of days here. It's been so gray and foggy. 19 degrees right now in Williston, and those clear skies are coming this way to the Bismarck area, hopefully by the end of the day. It's slow, but it's getting here. You're at 23 right now in the capital city, 27 in the magic city of Minot, 23 to the west in Stanley. Also, Watford City checking in at 23. The cool spot all day has been Wolf Point in eastern Montana. They're just at 15 degrees right now. Also, lower to mid-20s across eastern sections of the KX region. You can see those winds mostly out of the northwest at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Really nothing that we aren't accustomed to for this time of the year. The satellite and radar picture, you can see the clearing back across northwestern section slowly trundling its way toward our area. You can see most of the southern sections are still under overcast with a few breaks in the clouds. But I think by time the sun sets tonight, most everybody should be dealing with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, something I haven't been able to say here in probably about a week. But unfortunately, it won't last as we're watching this storm system that will be developing over the Texas Panhandle by Friday night and early Saturday morning over the Rio Grande, and that will move itself into the Central Plains here by the day on Saturday, and you can see this expansive snow shield. Now, this is the European model I'm showing. One of the American models has all of this further to the south and the east, so you can move this shield of snow, you know, kind of out of the Bismarck area. But this is kind of a, I don't want to say a worst case scenario, but the European model traditionally has been one of the more reliable computer models. So this forecast will continue to evolve and change over the next couple of days. So you'll want to stay tuned with meteorologist Dave Holder tonight on KX News at 5, 6, and 10. Already ahead of the storm, we've got winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, and winter weather advisories basically along that track that I just showed you. And I would expect these to fill in through Minnesota, South Dakota, and portions of North Dakota, maybe even our area over the next couple of days. So here's what we kind of know right now. We know that snow will start sometime early Saturday morning and lasting through Sunday night. It looks like a line from Elgin to Velva to Botno. If you're east of that line, that's where you stand the best chance to see accumulating snow, and even greater chances south and eastern sections. So if you're in Linton, Napoleon, Ashley, Steele, those are sort of the areas right now that seem to see the best chances at high accumulations. Heavy snow could fall while blowing and drifting snow, reduced visibility, and definitely hazardous travel. Right now, it looks like the bullseye area could be between Steele and Fargo, where substantial accumulations could happen. Here's a look at holiday travel. If you're doing some New Year's traveling, you can see this storm will have far-reaching impacts. Rain and severe weather also possible with this storm, so you're going to want to watch the forecast here over the next couple of days. The forecast today, though, for Bismarck is great, 20 degrees, with that slow clearing taking place and wind gusts just to 20 miles an hour. Again, really nothing that we're not accustomed to. The Magic City will get up to 25 because they'll have that clearing sooner, more sunshine, warmer temperatures. 3-day forecast for Dickinson is a nice one, lots of sunshine. They may miss out on this storm. They're going to be right on the edge of the snow, no snow line, so definitely want to keep an eye on that. Williston, I think you'll be fine this weekend. Won't be feeling any effects from that storm, maybe just some high clouds. Highs today mostly in the upper 20s, maybe somebody flirts with the lower 30s. Here's your extended forecast for Bismarck, a nice end of the week. And then, excuse me, there's that snow possibility Saturday and Sunday. And then the start to the new year looks good. Same thing for the Minot area, a nice end of the week. Their snow chances are far less than in Bismarck. And then another quiet and dry start to the new year, Becky. So it's a changing forecast. Definitely keep your eye on it.
All right, we'll take it. Thank you, Robert. Now,